Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving straight into the latest science and technology current affairs. This is essential for cracking competitive exams like the Civil Services, SSC, Banking, Public Service Commission, Railways, and many more. Let's get started. Google's educational initiatives in India. Why is Google expanding its educational initiatives in India? Google is expanding its educational initiatives to make quality education more accessible by launching YouTube channels in 29 Indian languages, including Indian Sign Language, for students in grades 1 to 12. What is the collaboration between Google and NCERT about? Google and NCERT are partnering to deliver educational content tailored for diverse linguistic and learning needs across India. This initiative aims to bridge language barriers and make learning inclusive for all. How is Google using AI to enhance learning? Google uses AI to analyze video content, identify key concepts, and provide relevant definitions and images from Google's knowledge graph. This helps learners understand subjects like biology, physics, and chemistry better. What is NPTEL, and how is Google collaborating with it? NPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, offers credentialed courses on YouTube. Google's collaboration with NPTEL provides learners with the opportunity to gain certifications from prestigious IITs through the NPTEL Swayam portal. What is the Google for India initiative? The Google for India initiative promotes educational access across the country. In 2023, Google committed 33.2 crore rupees to enhance AI literacy for millions of students, parents, and educators. What is the fellowship program with Rocket Learning? Google is starting a fellowship program with Rocket Learning, an Indian non-profit focused on early childhood education. They aim to develop Saheli, an AI-powered tutor for children aged 3 to 6 to build foundational literacy and numeracy skills. What is Rocket Learning? Rocket Learning is an Indian non-profit organization focused on early childhood education. They work to improve learning for young children, especially those from underserved communities. They use AI-powered tools and digital platforms to help kids learn better and provide training for educators and parents. Their goal is to make sure every child gets a strong start in life by building foundational skills in literacy and numeracy. What is Swayam portal? The Swayam portal is an online platform created by the Indian government to provide free and accessible education to everyone. It offers a wide range of courses from top universities and institutions in India. You can learn about various subjects, earn certifications, and even get university credits. It's like a big online school where you can study at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. New damselfish species. What is the name of the new damselfish species? The new damselfish species is named Chromis abadha. Where was this new species discovered? It was discovered in the deep-sea coral reefs of the Maldives. Who discovered this new species? An international team of marine scientists discovered Chromis abadha. What does the name abadha mean? The term abadha means perpetual in Dhivehi, symbolizing the enduring nature of the ocean. What are the unique features of Chromis abadha? It has a pearly white body with pale blue undertones, darker coloration along the back, and lighter below the eyes. It also has a silvery blue circle around the darker central part of the iris. Why is this discovery important? This discovery adds to the rich marine biodiversity of the Maldives and highlights the importance of exploring and conserving deep-sea ecosystems. Where exactly in the Maldives was Chromis abadha found? It was recorded in 8 different locations spanning 180 kilometers from Lavyani Atoll to Dhalu Atoll. What is the significance of the Rolex Perpetual Planet Initiative in this discovery? The Rolex Perpetual Planet Initiative supported the expedition that led to the discovery of Chromis abadha. What are Lavyani Atoll and Dhalu Atoll? Lavyani Atoll is located in the northern part of the Maldives, about 130 kilometers north of Male Airport. It consists of 54 islands, of which only 4 are inhabited. Known for its rich history, world-class diving spots, and luxury resorts. It offers a mix of tranquility and adventure, making it a popular destination for tourists. Dhalu Atoll, also known as Southern Neelandhe Atoll, is located in the southern part of the Maldives. It consists of 56 islands, with 7 of them being inhabited. Famous for its luxury resorts, rich marine life, and historical sites from the Buddhist period. It is a popular destination for snorkeling, scuba diving, and other water sports. Aditya L1 and Proba 3 Solar Research. What are Aditya L1 and Proba 3? Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission, and Proba 3 is a mission by the European Space Agency, ESA. Both are designed to study the Sun. Why are they collaborating? They are teaming up to conduct joint solar observations in 2025, using advanced instruments to study the Sun's corona, the outer layer of the Sun. What instruments do they use? Aditya L1 uses the Visible Emission Line Coronagraph, VELC, and Proba 3 uses the Association of Spacecraft for Polarimetric and Imaging Investigation of the Corona of the Sun, ASPIICS. What is special about Proba 3? Proba 3 is the first mission with two satellites flying information to mimic a solar eclipse, allowing detailed studies of the Sun's corona. When did Aditya L1 and Proba 3 launch? Aditya L1 launched in September 2023, and Proba 3 launched on 5th December 2024. Where is Aditya L1 located? Aditya L1 is positioned at the Lagrange point L1, about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, since January 2024. What will they study together? They will study the Sun's corona, focusing on understanding solar phenomena and improving our knowledge of the Sun's behavior. How will this collaboration benefit scientists? The joint observations will provide valuable data for both Indian and European scientists, helping them understand the Sun better and improve solar research. Aditya L1 and Proba 3 are both missions designed to study the Sun. Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission, and Proba 3 is a mission by the European Space Agency, ESA. While Aditya L1 involves a single satellite, Proba 3 is unique because it involves two satellites flying information to simulate a solar eclipse. So, they are both missions, but Proba 3 specifically includes two satellites working together. What is VELC? VELC stands for Visible Emission Line Coronagraph. It's a special instrument on the Aditya L1 mission that helps scientists study the Sun's outer layer, called the corona. It works by blocking out the bright light from the Sun's surface, allowing us to see and study the fainter light from the corona. This helps us understand more about solar activities like solar flares and coronal mass ejections. What is ASPIICS? ASPIICS stands for the Association of Spacecraft for Polarimetric and Imaging Investigation of the Corona of the Sun. It's a special instrument on the Proba 3 mission that helps scientists study the Sun's outer layer, called the corona. ASPIICS uses the satellites flying information to create an artificial solar eclipse, which blocks out the bright light from the Sun's surface. This allows scientists to see and study the fainter light from the corona in great detail. What is Sun's corona? The Sun's corona is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. It's like a glowing halo of hot gas that surrounds the Sun. The corona is much hotter than the Sun's surface and can reach temperatures of a few million degrees Celsius. You can usually see it during a total solar eclipse when the moon blocks the Sun's bright light, revealing the corona as a beautiful, glowing ring. What is Lagrange point? A Lagrange point is a special spot in space where the gravitational forces of two large bodies, like the Earth and the Sun, balance out. This means that an object placed at a Lagrange point will stay in a stable position relative to the two larger bodies. It's like finding a perfect balance point where things don't drift away. There are 5 Lagrange points, and they're useful for placing satellites because they can stay in a fixed position with minimal fuel use. What did ISRO's PSLV mission achieve? ISRO's PSL VC-59 rocket successfully launched the European Space Agency's ESA Proba-3 mission. When did the launch happen? The launch took place on 5th December 2024. What is unique about Proba-3? Proba-3 features two satellites flying in a precise formation to create an artificial solar eclipse, allowing detailed study of the sun's corona. What are the names of the two satellites? The two satellites are called the coronagraph and the occulter. What is the purpose of the coronagraph and occulter? The occulter blocks the sun's light, while the coronagraph studies the sun's corona. What is the significance of this mission? This mission helps scientists understand solar activity and space weather, which can impact technology and Earth's magnetic field. GenCast. What is GenCast? GenCast is an AI model developed by Google DeepMind that provides highly accurate weather forecasts. Why is GenCast special? GenCast can predict weather more accurately than traditional weather forecasting systems, especially for extreme weather events like storms. How far in advance can GenCast predict the weather? GenCast can provide weather forecasts up to 15 days in advance. What is unique about GenCast's forecasting method? GenCast uses a probabilistic ensemble forecasting approach, which means it predicts a range of possible weather scenarios instead of just one. How was GenCast tested? GenCast was tested using historical weather data from 2018 and 2019, and it showed better forecasting skills compared to traditional methods. What makes GenCast better than previous AI models? GenCast offers 15-day forecasts, which is an improvement over DeepMind's previous AI model that could only provide 10-day forecasts. Why is GenCast important for extreme weather? GenCast's higher accuracy in predicting extreme weather makes it valuable for decision-making in weather preparedness and safety. What kind of data does GenCast use? GenCast uses historical weather data, including variables like temperature, wind speed, and pressure, to make its predictions. What is Google DeepMind? Google DeepMind is a research lab focused on developing artificial intelligence (AI) technologies. It was founded in 2010 and acquired by Google in 2014. DeepMind is known for its groundbreaking work in AI, including creating AI models that can play games like Go and chess at superhuman levels, and developing AI systems for healthcare and scientific research. Their goal is to solve intelligence and use it to advance science and benefit humanity. What is ECMWF? ECMWF stands for the European Centre for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts. It's both a research institute and a 24/7 operational service that produces global weather forecasts and other data. They provide detailed weather predictions, climate reanalysis, and specific datasets for their member states and the broader community. ECMWF is known for its advanced numerical weather prediction models and has one of the largest supercomputer facilities and meteorological data archives in the world. Wisdom, the oldest known wild bird. Who is Wisdom? Wisdom is a Laysan albatross and the world's oldest known wild bird. How old is Wisdom? Wisdom is about 74 years old. Where was Wisdom discovered? Wisdom was first banded and identified at Midway Atoll National Wildlife Refuge in the Pacific Ocean. What is special about Wisdom? Wisdom has laid her first egg in 4 years at the age of 74, showing her incredible longevity and survival skills. How many eggs has Wisdom laid in her lifetime? Wisdom has laid between 50 and 60 eggs and successfully raised around 30 chicks. Does Wisdom return to the same place every year? Yes, Wisdom returns to her nesting site at Midway Atoll every year to lay an egg. Who is Wisdom's new mate? Wisdom has a new male partner who is tagged for future monitoring. They are currently incubating an egg together. Why is Wisdom important for conservation? Wisdom's story highlights the importance of wildlife conservation and the resilience of nature. Her continued nesting is a positive sign for her species. Wisdom is the name given to a specific Laysan albatross, who's the world's oldest known wild bird. Laysan albatross refers to the species of bird that wisdom belongs to. So, wisdom is an individual bird's name, while Laysan albatross is the species name. Wisdom, the world's oldest known wild bird, is found at the Midway Atoll National Wildlife Refuge, which is part of the United States. The Midway Atoll is located in the Pacific Ocean and is a territory of the United States. IIT Madras 3D Fetal Brain Images. What did IIT Madras unveil? IIT Madras unveiled the world's first 3D high-resolution images of the human fetal brain. What is fetal brain? The fetal brain is the brain of a developing baby inside the womb. It starts forming early in pregnancy and goes through rapid growth and development. The fetal brain is responsible for the baby's future cognitive abilities, motor skills, and overall brain function. Studying the fetal brain helps scientists understand how the brain develops and can lead to better treatments for developmental disorders. What is the name of the dataset? The dataset is called Dharni. Why is this discovery important? This discovery provides detailed insights into brain development and can help in understanding and treating brain disorders like learning disabilities and autism. How many brain sections were captured? Over 5,132 brain sections were digitally captured. Who led the project? The project was led by Professor Mon Shankar Shivaprakasham at the Sudha Gopalkrishnan Brain Center, IIT Madras. Is the dataset accessible to researchers? Yes, the dataset is openly accessible to researchers worldwide through the platform brainportal.humanbrain.in. What are the applications of this dataset? The dataset can advance fetal imaging technology for early diagnosis and treatment of developmental disorders and help researchers understand neurodevelopmental processes. How is the project funded? The project was supported by the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India and private entities like Infosys co-founder Chris Gopalkrishnan, NVIDIA, Premji Invest, and Fortis Healthcare. Amazon Nova Foundation Models. What did Amazon recently unveil? Amazon unveiled the Nova Foundation models to boost its AI capabilities. What are Nova Foundation models? They are advanced AI models designed to handle tasks like text, image, and video processing. Why are these models important? They help improve AI applications by making them faster, more accurate, and cost-effective. What can Nova models do? They can understand videos, charts, and documents and create multimedia content. How many Nova models are there? There are several models, including Nova Micro, Nova Lite, Nova Pro, and Nova Premier. What is Nova Micro? Nova Micro is a text-only model that delivers fast and low-cost responses. What is Nova Lite? Nova Lite is a multimodal model that processes text, images, and videos quickly and accurately. What is Nova Pro? Nova Pro is a highly capable multimodal model that balances accuracy, speed, and cost. What is Nova Premier? Nova Premier is the most advanced multimodal model designed for complex tasks. When will Nova Premier be available? Nova Premier will be available in the first quarter of 2025. What is Amazon Bedrock? Amazon Bedrock is a service that provides access to high-performing foundation models, including Nova. How do Nova models help developers? They make it easier for developers to build and integrate AI applications. What is the cost advantage of Nova models? Nova models are at least 75% less expensive than other top-performing models. What is the speed advantage of Nova models? They're the fastest models in their respective intelligence classes. What is the any-to-any model? It's a Nova model that can handle text, images, audio, and video as both input and output. When will the any-to-any model be available? It will be introduced in mid-2025. What is the speech-to-speech model? It's a Nova model that understands and responds to natural language speech. When will the speech-to-speech model be available? It will be available in the first quarter of 2025. What is Amazon Nova Canvas? It's an image generation model that creates professional-grade images from text or image prompts. What is Amazon Nova Reel? It's a video generation model that creates videos from text or image prompts. IIT Roper's Awadh 4th Foundation Day. What is Awadh? Awadh stands for Agriculture and Water Technology Development Hub. In the context of Awadh Agriculture and Water Technology Development Hub at IIT Roper, a hub refers to a central place where various activities related to agriculture and water technology development are coordinated and carried out. The hub serves as a research center and innovation platform that brings together scientists, researchers, and entrepreneurs to develop and implement advanced technologies for sustainable agriculture and water management. What did Awadh celebrate recently? Awadh celebrated its 4th Foundation Day. Where is Awadh located? Awadh is located at IIT Roper in Punjab, India. What is the main focus of Awadh? The main focus is on developing technologies for sustainable agriculture and water management. What are some key areas Awadh works on? Water and soil quality assessment, water treatment and management, agriculture automation, stubble management, urban farming, and IoT systems. What is MooSense? MooSense is an AI-powered cow health monitoring system developed by Awadh. What does nanobubble technology do? It treats water by degrading organic matter and eliminating pathogens. Where is nanobubble technology used? It is used in ponds and reservoirs across Punjab. What is the soil health monitoring system? It assesses soil quality to help farmers manage crops effectively. Who supported the development of MooSense? MooSense was supported by NABARD. What is the goal of Awadh's initiatives? The goal is to transform agriculture through technology. What is the significance of the farmer engagement session? It allows farmers to discuss challenges and explore Awadh's solutions. How does Awadh help farmers? Awadh provides technology solutions tailored to farmers' needs. What is the role of the Department of Science and Technology, DST? DST supports Awadh under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Systems, NMICPS. What is the impact of Awadh's innovations? Awadh's innovations contribute to sustainable agricultural and environmental solutions. What are CPS labs? CPS labs are set up by Awadh to develop more agri-tech and water-tech solutions. How much funding has Awadh received? Awadh has received 115 crores rupees in funding. How many technologies has Awadh developed? Awadh has developed over 70 technologies. How many startups has Awadh nurtured? Awadh has nurtured more than 100 agri-tech startups. How many youth have been skilled by Awadh? Awadh has skilled 5,000 youth in AI and cyber-physical systems. What is the future goal of Awadh? Awadh aims to revolutionize agriculture in Punjab and beyond. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more science and technology updates. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.